Si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
Attorney, TPE, Transpoint Express, saka ACCE Cargo, sir. Ako, sir, parang when nakita kami ni Karen dito sa may Davao Port, pinagad ko, sir, yung request ko sa sir, na pwede bang makita yung mga kahon na yan. And I think, sir, you acceded. Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes,
kamusta, sir? Kamusta po yung request namin?
Sir, we will have nasa hearing lang ngayon yung team namin, sir, sa sa Congress. But when they get back, we'll have a definite schedule for you already.
Alright.
May instruction na po kami ni Commissioner dyan, no, na we've already granted your request. In fact, sir, okay sa amin yung mga ganyan, no? Kasi sabi nga namin, it will appease at least yung
Yes.
mga OFWs natin pag nakita nila nandun pa yung boxes nila at yung ano yung condition. Ibababa lang po yata ng MICP yung ilang containers kung nasaan.
Apo.
Para po pagdating nyo po nakalatag na, sir.
Alright. Attorney Vincent Philip Marunilla, sir. It's always an honor having you, boss. At of course, we are always grateful to you, Attorney.
Sir, we're also grateful to your program, sir. Maraming salamat po because, again, we can't emphasize the importance of your program in bridging yung communication gap namin with our OFWs. And at least, na-appease po yung mga OFWs pag naririnig po yung updates galing sa amin through your program. And we look forward in inviting you, sir, no, dito sa future endeavors natin. Pag at least, sir, tulungan nyo lang kaming makover na maayos naman yung pagtrato namin sa balikbayan boxes ng ating mga kababayan. At the same time, at least ma-identify din nila kung nasaan talaga yung kanilang mga boxes.
Mabuhay ka, Attorney Vincent, sir. At let's catch up, boss, pag hindi ka busy. Mabuhay ka.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. At mabuhay po kayo.
There you have it.